Hello friends, welcome back. So today we will see what are the tools required to develop React project. So the first tool which is required to is npm. So we will install npm using Node.js. So just search for Node.js into the browser and just go and install it. Just download it, and I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it again. But you just follow the steps and install it. The second tool is required is any editor of your choice. I'm usually preferring Visual Studio Code for this React projects. So you can also try for the same. Visual Studio Code is a very great tool for the development. You can go to the official site of the Visual Studio Code and you can download for Windows. If you are using Windows, then you download for Windows, and if you are using Mac or any other OS, then you can download download for same. Uh, Mac, Linux. Okay, so you can download for the same. I have also installed the Visual Studio Code at my end, so I don't need to install it again. So just installed. I will also put the URLs for this in the description. Okay, so now I will open the Visual Studio Code at my end, and let's open any folder. Let's forget about this. Okay, so just search for Visual Studio after installing Visual Studio Code and Node.js. You can just check. So you can just install Visual Studio, open the Visual Studio Code and just open it. Okay, so you don't need to worry about what is open over here. It's default project which was I've created last time. But just don't worry about it. Just go into the terminal and click on new terminal. So the option which I'm selecting over here in the Visual Studio Code, click on these three dots. Okay, then terminal, then new terminal. So, here it will come. Then to create a new React project, you have to type a command which is npx create React app, and this template is optional actually, so you can skip that. Npx create React app, and then my project name, whatever you want to give. My first app. Okay. Uh, then template is optional. If you want to create the React project into the TypeScript, then just provide the template as TypeScript. If you want to create into the JavaScript, just type don't type anything. And so we are going to proceed with the TypeScript. So I'll be just adding the template TypeScript. Just hit enter. So it's going to create all the necessary packages. It is going to install all the necessary packages. Now the project is created, so we'll just open the folder from Visual Studio Code. So, my first demo app, just select this folder and open it. So now you can see all the files over here. Have one, okay, sorry, not this one. Actually, we have created some folder structure I've created wrong. Let's forget about this. We'll just come outside over here and just hit the command again. Let's say my first chat app and just hit enter. Okay, there is already a project name, the same name. Just change the name. Okay, let's try with this name. Hopefully it should work. Yeah, now it's creating again. Yeah, done. So we'll just open the folder again. Open folder inside project. First React app. Just select the folder. It will open again. Yeah, I trust the author. So yeah, this is app.tsx. So how we will run this application? Just go into the open the terminal again and type the command npm start. To run the our application, our React project, we type the command npm start. Yeah, it's running now. So let's try to change something. First React app. Yeah. So changes are reflected. So you can see the changes. Uh, okay. So in the next lecture, we will see all this folder structure and how it works, what is index.tsx and all these things. And we'll start with the components. Thank you. Bye.